No, this isn't Davidsfarm, but I sure feel like I'm there when I'm driving this thing. It's a Case 580C loader and backhoe or excavator on the back here. No, it's not mine, but a friend of mine's gonna let me use it. Cool. Oh my gosh, I sure hope he changes the oil more frequently than that. It's got a nice 4-cylinder diesel engine on it. Not sure the horsepower, but I'd have to ask him. Let's climb up and start it up. Okay. Neutral, forward and reverse. That little thing right there, this is a brake. That little button, it almost looks like, compared to my foot down there, is the clutch actually. Here's the gear selector. It's in second gear right now. In neutral, bucket controls here, foot throttle and hand throttle. Here's the key and the start button. Oh yeah, fires up instantly. Sounds sweet. And back here are the backhoe controls. I'll have to take other clips of these when I get my seat turned around here. Just pull that up into position. Let's go for a little drive. Take the emergency brake off. Select gear. Let's go in second. Let the clutch out. Oh, raise the bucket up first. Off we go. Here's a decompression lever to kill the engine after we shut the key off. Alright, let's see what the job is. Alright, the job is to dig out this trench a little bit more and fill in this area that's been started to be filled in here. Dog manure. They raise dogs here, and we just got to fill this small area in here and dig a little bit more out here. So let's try the backhoe on this thing. Perfect. Now that we're lined up to start digging, set the emergency brake here. Put the bucket in the dump position. that down. Now we got our front end braced. Now we'll brace the back end. I'm going to increase the throttle here to about, maybe 1500 RPMs. Yeah, that's about good. Swing over in the swivel seat. Set these down with this lever here. With this one. Alright, let's get to work. This left pedal moves this to the left. Right pedal moves this to the right. This lever lowers the whole backhoe mechanism down. This lever extends the arm out. And this lever works the bucket. So let's dig some stuff up. The ground is very rocky. This is my first time, so I'm not very experienced. Hey, still come up with a full bucket load. Yeah. So on and so forth. Now, let's move some stuff with the front end loader here. Take the emergency brake off. Get the clutch out. Dump it. Sweet. So, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Man, these things are sweet. Wish I could have got one for my 17th birthday.